visionaries.
Menace to society, up my blick, shoot him like dog. The boy say that they my ops, stop the cap, I don't even know y'all. He tend about the bitch, run out the room when that hoe call. She was bad in high school, now she scrun, got like Lil Wonder off of Snowfall. By my Benjamins like Franklin, you can kick it with me, but this shit get very dangerous. She not a secret, on the internet she stay nameless. Better stop the dissing, we gon' make one of you niggas famous. Only 3 years in this rap shit, got the power like I'm Cannon. Tell me why every time the sun shine, next day it's back rain. Van told me I'm the hottest, see me in public, she almost famous. I'm not a rapper, I'm an artist, when they blockin' I start paying. Free all the bros out the pen, ain't no telling when they coming home. Play that house shit full of D-ho dorm, listen to my song. Get up under her skin like I'm right when I know I'm wrong. Max out, missionary, I can see it in her eyes. She think about tapping out. Legs on my shoulder, grip her neck, 2 fingers in her mouth. Slow stroking, been staying out them pills lately. Cause a lot of niggas been overdosing, a lot of these niggas ain't having most. Go to the gym 5 days out the week. No wonder why her ass poke. Pay attention to the shit he say when he mad. Cause if you check him about the shit gon' slow up and down, he was joking. Get money, nigga, all about my brain won't catch me low. I can drop a video today, that bitch gon' do numbers without promotion. That diss song was capped, I ain't even know he rap. To be honest, he should kill whoever wrote it. At the B&B with her gun up in the air, she quick to set it off like Stoney. Get up in her feelings, go to act like she don't want me. You know my check out FaceTime, go put that pussy on.
Casey shot